Hello students, welcome to the GitLab video. Today topics is merge conflict. How to resolve merge conflict manually. So uh, today we are going to discuss about what is merge conflict and how does merge conflict occurs and how to resolve merge conflict manually and how to create a branch and how to rename a branch and how to delete a branch. So So we'll get into the folder, newly created folder, git merge underscore conflict 3. So we'll get inside the folder. I'll right click it and open with code. This ensures that VS Code is opened in the folder git underscore merge underscore conflict 3. So I'll go to terminal, click on new terminal. So my first step will be to initialize the repository. So here I have initialized the empty repository, that is git underscore merge underscore conflict 3. Now I will create a text file here by name cities.txt. So city.txt. So these are I'll type. So here I will type some of the cities which are present in Karnataka state. Bangalore, Mysore, Hubli, lastly Mangalore. I'll press Ctrl S in order to save the file. Clearly you can see U means the file is in unstaging area. It has not been added to staging area. So now we have to configure the enter. So now I have to configure email. Here I have to type email. I have to change it to email. So it's done. Now I need to you'll make a git status to check. So clearly you can see cities.txt is in red color. It means it has been not added to staging area. In order to add to the staging area, so now see it clearly you can see the green color. Cities.txt is highlighted in green color. Now you have to save the file. In order to save the file to the local branch or local repo, you have to make use. So this file from cities.txt has been added from staging area to the local repo. So now we'll create a branch. So in order to switch, so now you switch to branch one. We'll confirm. So clearly you can see branch one is highlighted. Currently this is my active branch. Branch one is my current active branch. So assume that branch one is being used by the developer B. So developer B is using the branch one. So it tries to modify the file. Assume that he is adding Pune and Mumbai. These two cities are located in Maharashtra. I am deliberately adding this Pune and Mumbai in order to show the merge conflict. Press Ctrl S, save the file. Same usual steps I'll follow in order to add staging area now. So now the file has been committed. So I'll get back to the, now you are into master branch. Make use of, so your current active branch is master, which is highlighted in green. Suppose if we want to rename the branch, so command for, so we can check. Clearly you can see the original branch name was branch 1. It has been renamed to branch underscore 1. So here I already told you, master branch is being used by the developer A and branch underscore 1 is being used by developer B. So master branch is being used by developer A. He tries to modify this one, two cities, last two cities. He updates with Dharwad, Dharwad and Udupi. So I'll press Ctrl S. So I'll commit it. It has been successfully committed. So merge conflict. So we'll come to the topic of merge conflict. So usually merge conflict occurs when Git attempts to combine changes from two different branches. Here two different branches are master branch and branch underscore one. But encounters overlapping edits and it cannot resolve automatically. So there are scenarios where merge conflict occurs. So when two branches have made different changes to the exact same line in same file. So here is exact same line means 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are being modified by the two different branches. Two different branches in exact same line in same file, that is city.txt. Both developer A has modified the has done modifications in 4 and 5 and developer B also has done modifications in 4 and 5. That is the exact same line in same text file. So merge conflict will occur. Now we'll try to merge branch. So clearly we are in master branch. Now we can merge it and try to merge it. So clearly you can see merge conflict has occurred. So as I told you earlier, so merge conflict occurs when two branches have different changes, two different branches, that is master branch and branch underscore one, or two developers, that is developer A is using master branch and developer B is using branch underscore one, as in both the developers has done different changes to the exact same line. Exact same line means here 4 and 5 in the same file, that is cities.txt. So merge conflict occurs. In another scenario where merge conflict occurs is when file is being modified by the one branch and while another branch has deleted the branch. Note that since merge conflict happens locally, rest of the project members are not aware of this issue. So resolving conflict is of high priority and requires immediate fix. So on many occasions, Git handles the automatically merging for you. But in case conflict changes occurs in the same file, then you have to resolve it manually. So this is a demo or practical example of how merge conflict occurs and how you have to resolve the merge conflict manually. So merge conflict occurs when merge conflict occurs, Git will automatically annotate the conflicting lines. Conflicting lines are here 4 and 5 with the less than, you can see less than, equal to, and greater than symbol. These conflicting sections are highlighted. The conflicting sections are usually highlighted by the conflict markers. These less than equal to symbol and greater than symbol are called special conflict markers, which are used to highlight the conflicting sections. So we can go and select this. There are four options here: accept current change, accept incoming change, accept both change, and compare changes. We'll deal with one by one. So select on compare changes. So clearly we can see the changes here. The developer using the master branch has modified the cities and modified update it as Dharwad and Udupi. And developer B, who is using branch underscore one, has updated the city as Pune and Mumbai. We'll go back. So if you try to accept current change, it will accept the changes from the developer A. That is, it will accept Dharwad and Udupi will be accepted. Clearly, you can see. I'll press Ctrl Z again to go back. I'll accept incoming change. If we accept incoming changes, then whatever the changes done in branch underscore one by developer B, will be accepted. That is, Pune and Mumbai will be accepted. Clearly, you can see. I'll press Ctrl Z. So I'll accept. If I accept both changes, then both changes made by the developer A and developer B will be accepted. That is, Dharwad, Udupi, and Pune and Mumbai both will be accepted. Clearly, you can see. So So in these scenarios, both developer A and developer B has to sit beside together and decide themselves how to resolve them manually. So uh, assume that developer A changes are accepted. Since Pune and Mumbai are located in Maharashtra, so I decide to accept the developer A settings. So Dharwad and Udupi. I'll accept the developer A modifications. So I'll click it. You can see this is how the we'll resolve the merge conflict manually. I'll press Control S. So after this, I hit next. So it has been committed. So lastly, we'll discuss how to delete a branch. To list all the branches, will so you're in master branch. So if you want to delete a branch, when branch is no longer needed, we can make use of. We'll check whether the branch. So clearly you can see master branch is only branch is showing. The branch underscore one has been successfully deleted. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for listening.